Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Make this simple recipe with me. So first I have 2 loaves of bread. I'm spreading salted butter on my bread. Next is pizza sauce, which is homemade. I have a video of how I made this homemade pizza sauce on my channel, so please check it out to know how to make yours. Next, I'll be adding some mozzarella cheese. I'll add it very well. I'll add it richly to the bread. And also I have some bell peppers and onion, which I have cut in a beautiful way, so I'll be adding it to this recipe. You're probably wondering what I'm trying to make. Just watch till the end. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please click the like button below, and also if you have watched up until this point and you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Thank you so much. Next, I'm adding some chili pepper. Then some chili flakes, just to add a bit of spiciness to my pizza. I'm adding more cheese. Then I just added black pepper, and now I'll be placing it in the pan to cook on medium heat for up to 8 minutes. Guys, this is my result. It looks so good, so colorful and so nice, so yummy. If you want to try something new for breakfast or something new for lunch, it can go for any part of the day. It can go as meal for any part of the day. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. It is so yummy, guys. It is really yummy. You should try it. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're a lover of pizza, if you'll be trying this as an alternative to the regular pizza. So thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Please click the subscribe button, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Thank you so much, guys. This is me having a taste of my bread pizza, and it is so yummy. Try yours and let me know in the comment section how you love it. Till I come your way next time, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.